Assalamu alaikum girls. Today we will discuss about conversion of AMU into grams and Avogadro's numbers and concept of mole. We know that AMU is equal to 1 over 12 part of carbon 12 atom. It is the atomic mass unit and we cannot use it in for numerical calculations, and to convert into system international unit we will use the figure of 6.010 ki raised 23. It is called Avogadro's number, and a scientist Avogadro's gives the concept about it. Because we know that atoms are too small, we cannot find out whole number of atoms and whole mass of the particles which contain an atom can be calculated. That's why Avogadro says that every molecule, atom and AMU. For example, if we take the example of one AMU, which is the 12th part of carbon atom, it will contain 6.0 to 10 raised 23 particles, which is the fixed figure given by Avogadro's scientist. Because we cannot find out and we cannot count the number of particles present in AMU because it's too small. So Avogadro says that 6.02 10 की raised 23 particles of atoms, any atom, molecule or ionic compound will be equal to 1 mole. What is 1 mole? 1 mole is the numerical value. 1 mole is the numerical value of number of atoms, number of molecules, and number of molecules and formula units in a substance. What is a substance? Substance may be in the form of molecule, formula unit, element. 1 mole is equal to 6.02 is 6.0. If any substance, maybe molecule contain 6.0 to 10 ki raised 23 particle, it will be called equal to 1 mole. If we take the example of carbon atom 12, in this case we take the carbon atom 12. If I say 6.0 to 10 ki raised 23 atoms of carbon is equal to 1 mole, which is equal to 12 gram. And if we want to find out the atomic mass and gram mass of one atom from 6.0 to 10 ki 23, if we want to find out the atomic mass in gram of one carbon atom, then I will one carbon atom is equal to 12 gram by 6.02 10 ki raised 23. By dividing them, we will find the mass in gram of one atom of carbon atom, which is almost 1.99 10 ki raised 23 gram. It's the 1.99 10 ki raised 23 gram. It's the atomic mass of one carbon atom. One carbon atom. Similarly, if we have now one carbon atom, mass of one carbon atom. Now we have to find out 12 part of AMU is equal to 1 over 12 part of a carbon atom. If we want to find out 12 part of the carbon atom, we will divide it with the value of one carbon atom. One carbon atom, first of all we have 6.02 atoms of carbon atoms, which is equal to 1 mole, and they have atomic mass 12 gram, equal to 12 gram. Now to find out 1 AMU, we will find out first of all carbon mass of carbon atom, one carbon atom. Then we will find out the 1 AMU, which is equal to 1 over 12 part of the carbon atom. This is the mass of one carbon atom, and we have to find out the mass in grams of 1 over 12 part of the carbon atom. So we will divide it with 1 over 12 part of the 1.99 10 ki raise 23. It will be equal to 1.667 10 ki raise minus 24 gram. So 1 AMU is equal to this one. So one carbon atom is equal to, if we talk in AMU, is equal to 12 AMU, and if we take it in grams, then 1 mole. Now I will use the word mole because I have converted AMU into moles. 1 mole of carbon atom contain almost 12 gram, and similarly we can find out atomic mass of carbon oxygen atom is equal to 16 AMU, and when we convert it into mole, and when we convert into